Bore da, good morning. Um, Dwi wedi sgwario stoc yn y mill, so I've squared the stock in the mill. Dwi wedi gorffen gyda face cut yma. So I've just finished with the face cut on here, ag I bod yn siŵr mae yr pin neu screw yn bod yn perpendicular i'r gwaith. Dwi'n cadwch y same setup. So I did a face cut on here, and then just to make sure that the pin that holds this onto the upright will be perpendicular. I've kept it in the same setup. So dwi'n barod I wneud y twll yn hwn ag y dau twll I am yr air? No, air. Yeah, so just ready now to drill a hole in there for the pin and then the two holes for the air. So next I want to just turn this 90 degrees outside to do 4 holes for the face, and then put the cylinder bore in. Dwi'n meddwl mae'n bod yn difficult achos mae'n dwi'n eisiau 58 mm bore, ond mae hon yn wneud 30 mm ar y quill. So I want a 58 mm bore, but the quill only gives me 30 mm. So I think it could be a bit difficult. Dwi wedi newid fy setup achos mae'r dim yn posib i'r wneud y twll. So I've just changed the setup because it wasn't possible to make the hole as it was. Mae gen I un boring bar mwy na 60 mil, so I've only got one boring bar more than 60 mil. Mae'r y nesa I lawr ydy like 50, and the next one down is 50, so mae'n dim yn gweithio, so that wouldn't work. Next, mae yna dim lle I rhoi tool ag boring head, so also there wasn't enough space to put the tool and the boring head gyda'r vice a gwaith, with the work and the vice in there's just not enough space. So dwi wedi rhoi angle plate ar y mill ag checio across yma dan gyda indicator I bod yn siŵr mae'n sgwar, ag dwi wedi rhoi y gwaith ar parallels, ond mae'n liftio fyny dipyn bach. Then I put the work on parallels, clampio I gilydd, so I clamped it all together. Dwi'n rhoi indicator I fyny ochr yma, so I put an indicator up the sides there I bod yn siŵr mae'n sgwar I gwaith, I brodd, to make sure it's square with the work with the table. And dwi wedi ffindio y canol ag checio so I found the centre ag dwi'n setio stops I mynd i'r 58 mil. Ie, so nesa dwi'n eisiau wneud twll fawr. Well, that doesn't look right. Dwi'n lwcus iawn gyda hwn. Mae twll cyntaf wedi off i'r there. So the first hole was off to the right, so I was quite lucky really that I've reset it up. Cyntaf, dwi'n meddwl dwi'n eisiau ffindio canol y cylch gyda centre finder ag gweithio y canol, ond dwi'n newid fy mind a indicated ar y ochr ag symud i mewn i'r canol. So first of all, I was going to indicate off the centre of find the centre of the hole and then just work from there. But then I changed my mind and decided to find the edges, and as the drawing suggests, and go to the centre. I'm glad I did now because it's actually in the centre. Bore da pawb. Good morning everyone. Iawn. Dwi'n eisiau wneud y cylinder cap heddiw, so I just want to make the cylinder cap today. Cyntaf, dwi'n meddwl dwi'n eisiau, achos mae'r part scrap odd size, so just because the part is an odd size, the scrap part, dwi'n eisiau wneud dimensions yma, so I think I just want to make the square, well, a rectangular shape, ag ffindio canol, dwi'n eisiau trio wneud a bore boss ar y mill. So it's not square, so I'm going to try and make it square on the mill now, and then try and make the boss on the mill. ddim yn edrych ymlaen i'r job nesaf. Dwi'n eisiau torri a boss yma. So I'm not looking forward to the next part. I need to make that boss. Dwi'n siŵr mae mwy ffordd I fynd. So I'm sure there's more than one way to go. But dwi'n eisiau bod yn siŵr mae pawb yn perpendicular i'r axis. So I just want to make sure that everything's perpendicular to the axis. So dyna ni gyda boring bar, boring head, a mill yn fynd trwy arall. So here we are with the boring head. The mill's going backwards now. Ag dwi'n fynd I wneud cut fach ag adjust cut fach eto. So yeah, mill's going backwards, and then we'll just do a little cut, adjust it inwards, cut again. Dwi'n eisiau fynd I 30 mil, so I want to go to 30 mil. Ag 3mm deep. So yeah, dyna ni. So yeah, I want to go 30mm hole, boss, 3mm deep. Dwi'n meddwl dwi'n cael cinio cyntaf, so I think I'll have my lunch first. Dyna y boss yn wneud. So there's the boss made. Ag I'll tro round at the second time round. Achos dwi'n wedi anghofio mae y bore yn 21 mil. Ag mae drawing yn 20 mil. So I forgot that I've made the bore 21 mil. Can't remember why now. So when I did the drawing was already made, but when I made the boss to 20 mil, of course it wouldn't fit, and it was too small. Rattled like a good woman. So yeah, dwi'n wneud o eto. So I've just made it again. Nesa dwi'n eisiau wneud twll I mewn canol yma ag 4 twll I fynd hefo twll yma. So next I want to make the centre hole and then 4 holes to go with the ones on the cylinder. Dwi'n fynd I trio torri apart gyda slitting saw. So I'm just going to try cutting the part off with a slitting saw ag wedyn glanhau'r wyneb ar a lathe. So I'm just going to try cutting this off with a slitting saw, then I'll clean it up on the lathe if I can. Dwi'n wedi newid y dŵr, so I've changed the cutting fluid. y gilydd. So here's the progress together. Dwi'n wedi wneud y cylinder ag dwi'n hapus gyda'r plat yma. Dwi'n wedi rhoi chamfer ar y connol. So I've made the cylinder now, the faceplate, happy with that, and I've put a chamfer on the edge. Nesa, dwi'n eisiau wneud y piston ag connecting rod, and dwi'n meddwl dwi'n eisiau rhoi dim bach paint. So yeah, happy with it. Next I need to make the piston and the connecting rod, and then I think I'll probably put a bit of paint on it. Yeah, ond dwi'n hapus gyda sut mae'n fynd. So I'm happy with how it's going. Mae'n possibly wneud a wobbler engine more simple, so it's possible to make a more simple wobbler engine, ond dwi'n eisiau wneud dipyn bach o technical challenge I fi I wneud o well, right da. So it is possible to make quite a simple one. Probably said that twice now, but I just wanted to do like a little technical challenge for myself, to try and make it as good as I could, really. Dwi'n eisiau wneud, radial engine neu gyda 5 neu 7 cylinders, so I wouldn't mind making a radial engine with 5, 7 cylinders maybe. Yeah. Iawn, diolch am edrych ar y fideo fi, so thanks for watching. Hwyl.